So as you have already seen what is the problem, and we have already removed the door card, so just keep in mind that there are 3-4 extra screws on this side, 1 2 3 and 4, and one behind the speaker cover as well. So now what we need to do is remove this plastic sheet. It is more kind of a water resistance method which manufacturers does, but I don't know whether it really works or not. And after the removal process, a lot of you may be thinking why I removed the power window switch. This is the reason, because I need the accessibility of the switch to move the window up and down. So this is the working mechanism of the window. As you can see, the window pane is actually mounted onto the window channel on two bolts, this one and this one. So we need to loosen these bolts and then push the weight of the window a little bit upwards from this side, and it will automatically transfer the weight of the window a little bit downwards on this side, and we need to retighten these bolts. But make sure you are not over tightening these bolts, because they are trying to just clamp onto the glass, which can actually break from over torquing. And while we are here, it's a nice time to clean all this recess area. You will usually find dried up pieces of your sound insulation, which was once on the back side of your back side of your door sheet metal. These things usually start to vibrate. So as you've seen, the window is now able to go completely at the top, but it's not stopping. Means it slow downs very much, but it doesn't need the hand now, which it needed in the started. So we need to adjust the front channel as well. Maybe the bolts may have skipped a little, so that's the second thing. We need to adjust the front channel. There are two channels on which the window is right. This is the basic main channel, the powered channel, and two are the supporting channels. So the front supporting channel needs to be adjusted a little bit towards the back, not from the bottom, just from the top. So let's do it now and check again. So as you can see, if I try to move, these are the two mounting points of the supporting channel. So if I try to move one, the other will move. So they were on this position. Now we need to adjust it just a little bit. You don't want to correct it majorly, just a little bit of adjustment will work. So it's more like a adjust and test kind of scenario. So and we are adjusting the top side only because the window functions properly below the mid level. It only starts to misbehave after the on the upper middle level. So one more time, check. So the next step is correcting it even more, and just for the peace of mind, I'm just trying to lubricate the main power channel. So even after lubricating, adjusting the bottom of the front channel, top of the front channel, the results are kind of same, no major improvements. So what next we can do is we can adjust the power channel from these two bolts. Process is kind of same. Loosen it a little bit, shift it a little backwards so that the overall weight of the mechanism can shift, tilt a little backwards, and then perform it once again. So finally, after kind of 9 or 10 trials, various adjustments, do it and do it again, channel lubrication front and back as well. Finally our window is able to roll perfectly. So this is how we actually tackle a window which is either stuck open or stuck close. It's just a matter of alignment of all the three channels, one in the front, one in the back, and one in the middle, which is actually your power channel.